Hi everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate SmolLM2. It's a lightweight transformer based language model designed for efficient text generation. Like GPT-2 models and GPT models, it follows a decoder only transform architecture. So given that I have trained this one on the local system with very less compute resources, I have just trained with 6 PS text. The prime motive was to see if this model can be trained locally end to end, and we can get some sample text generated on the input text. I'm going to later showcase how this is working, but before that I would like to describe about few of the features of this uh, SmolLM2. So for this model, there are like vocab size that we have. The tokenizer we have used is the Cosmo 2 tokenizer, which I have taken from Hugging Face. It has like 49,152 vocab size, and the maximum sequence length for the embedding layer is around 128 tokens. Um, Now for the training process, as I mentioned, I've used 6PS complete works text, and but given and I just trained it for 5,000 steps, but given the compute resources are very low, uh, it roughly took around 2 hours for me to train it. So let's then to test this SmolLM2, what I've done is I have served the model in one Docker and using fast API, and we can test it uh, through Swagger how it works. And then also I have created another Docker app which will send request and check the response for that. So let's quickly move to that. For now, let's open the desktop Docker desktop, and if you can see, I have two services up and running right now. So one is the model service where the model.pt file is served on the app, and there's a client service which will be sending the request. And the model one is running on localhost 8000, and the other one is on 8001. So let's move how they're working. So for now, I have exposed two APIs for the client side, which is generated, and the normal is the health, and same goes for the model service as well. We can test the request here as well, but yeah, I would like to send a request from the client side and check if it is working correctly or not. So let's try out the post call, which is as generate. I have copied a sample text already, which is prompt is the quick brown fox, and I would want my model to, let's just generate small one 30 length, and temperature is around zero point 0.8, and let's execute. So as we can see, when we send the input of this one, the quick brown fox, I get a generated text of quick brown fox, onion proportion that, yeah, lost. For now, given that this is trained on a very small data set, um, the response is little bit haywire, but uh, if this model can be trained on a larger data set, which is available on Hugging Face, and obviously it will take a lot of time if we do that on local system, then it will generate really good generated text. For now, to test this end to end, to check if this can be done locally, we did this exercise, and given that this whole model is only of like 80 million parameters, this can be tested locally and quite effective one. So that's pretty much from my side. Thank you.